Hello, Gemini. September 2024, just for you. What is the month looking like? What does the month September 2024 have in store for you? So, week one. Let's begin with week one. Week one, it is the card of the lovers. Loads of choices. So many choices that it can be a little overwhelming and overbearing at times as well. You have to be very careful and you have to take the right decisions with a sane mind. Okay, so don't get influenced, don't be vulnerable or gullible to what other people say. Go by what your heart tells you. If your heart says go ahead and do it, just go ahead and do it. So week one, choices, but make the right decisions, judicious decisions, and only your mind will tell you where you have to move. And coming to week two, well, week two is about creative energies. So it means that, you would probably, if you are young, very good, you will have those youthful young energy coming together in order to do something very daring, some kind of a major adventure that would be beneficial for your career, would be beneficial for you in terms of the experiences that you will gain. And also, if you are a little on the, if maybe if you're middle aged or a little elder to that, then it could be that you gang up with young individuals because you have that youthful energy. You might think of doing a marathon, and or you might think of doing trekking or mountaineering, some kind of an adventure, which will be not only good for your health but also good in terms of your experiences. Plus you will gain some wonderful friends. Well, wow, enjoy this second week of September, Geminis. Then coming to the third week, well, the third week is about, again, a lot of creativity and a lot of stability. So if you begin some kind of a project, then chances are that you are going to be doing a great job at it. So just go ahead, do whatever. If you're feeling very creative, give wings to your creative spontaneity. And coming to week four, well, week four is about some kind of overwhelming energies. It could be a little trying and testing, but these trying and testing moments will bring out the best in you. So, for that best in you, loads of good wishes, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Alka Home of Tarot and Education on YouTube. I would love to hear your comments, and yes, if you wish to get in touch with me for a tarot session, then drop me a WhatsApp message on the number 99103 Have a fantastic September 2024, Geminis. Bye bye.